How to make money on threads in 2026. So there are a lot of things that you can do. So first step that you're going to follow is the hook. So what you're going to do is write a short, highly relatable observation or industry truth statement. This acts as a entry point to the catch scrolling eyeballs and force a pause. The another thing that you're going to do is add value. So underneath the hook, write a multi-part text thread or insert a graphic carousel breaking down a step-by-step tutorial or mini case study and provide actionable data. Then after doing that, what you're going to do is soft pitch. In the end of your thread, what you're going to do is offer a solution to a remaining problem. For example, I built a framework that automates this entire process. If you want to grab it, grab the link in my bio or comment guide below. So what this will do is let the viewers engage on your thread so that your thread would get more engagement. The another thing that you can do is use the high ticket B2B service lead generations. So for that, what you're going to do is publish deconstruction. So what you're going to do is pick a major competitor or a recognizable brand in your niche and write an analytical thread diagnosing their errors and praising their successful strategy. So what this would do is let all of the viewers catch their eyes because the audience love the controversies. So the another thing after that is leverage the hangout loop. So what you're going to do is offer a custom ordered checklist or template assets for free in exchange for a comment. So this will automatically engage your threads more, which will help you build your threads even more. So by doing all of these, you will be able to make money on threads in 2026, and that's it.